What would happen if your company got infected by ransomware? Would your employees be dead in the water, unable to get any work done? Would you lose sales? Would your customers go somewhere else? How long would it take you to recover and get back up and running after all your data was locked and held for ransom? How much revenue and reputation would you lose every day that your business was incapacitated? The Generation 6 SonicWall Advanced Firewall and Security Services make sure that those questions don't become realities. Your SonicWall works behind the scenes to provide 24/7 threat prevention. Security services are licensed on a subscription-based model. If you do not renew your security services, your SonicWall will no longer be able to block viruses and malware from entering your network. Your devices, including computers, servers, wireless, and even IP security cameras, will be vulnerable to exploitation, identity theft, and even becoming part of the hacker's future attacks on others. Without security services, the SonicWall Advanced Firewall inspection engines will no longer have the up-to-date threat information that the SonicWall needs to provide protection against encrypted and zero-day threats like ransomware. Security services provide crucial threat intelligence that enable your SonicWall to safeguard your network the way it was designed to. Upgrade to a SonicWall Advanced Firewall or renew your security services today to make sure that your company stays protected.